Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 30 from Directorate of Education, class 9th worksheet science. That is from your unit motion and today's topic is our velocity. Gyan asked Jigyasa Didi, what is the difference between speed and velocity? So student, in the last worksheet we discussed about the speed and here we now discuss about the velocity. What is velocity and how it is different from speed. Gyan, speed of an object in a particular direction. So student, focus on that line. Speed is a scalar quantity, but when speed is specified with a particular direction, then it is called its velocity. Its symbol is V. It shows the direction of the motion along with the speed, and its formula is velocity equals to displacement upon time. Student, it is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means it gives us magnitude as well as direction, and its SI unit is meter per second. Next student, very important line, it can be zero. It can be zero. For example, if you cover a distance from your home to school and back from school to home by the same route, it means you will have to cover a speed but displacement is zero because your reference point is same, starting point is same. Students, starting point is home and ending point is also home. When our initial and final position is same, there is no displacement, so velocity is zero. When displacement is zero, velocity is also zero. Student, whenever any object moving along a straight line but changing its velocity continuously, whenever any object changing its velocity continuously, whenever you change your speed in a particular direction again and again, then we have to calculate its average velocity. Average velocity means initial velocity plus final divided by 2. Didi, when do we say that object is in uniform motion or not? So Jigyasa explain, if an object move in a straight line and cover equal distances in equal time. So student, this is very important point, when it cover equal distance in equal interval, then it is called uniform motion. Whenever you cover equal distances in equal time, it means you are in uniform motion, you are in a straight line road, but it means velocity is constant, you are not changing velocity. But when you are changing velocity continuously, it means you travel unequal distance in unequal time, then it is called non-uniform motion. Okay, two type of motion here, accelerated, retarded. Accelerated means your velocity is increasing and retardation means your velocity is decreasing. Now let's do an example in our practice question. If a cyclist move from A to B, student, cyclist from here goes A to B, travels a distance of 40 meter, and when again it travels back B to A, it again cover a distance of 40. It means he travel 40 meter two times, student. So total distance is 80 meter and time is given up to you. What is the time given? 40 seconds. We have to calculate the speed and velocity. Speed, the distance cover upon time taken. Distance is 80, time is 40, so our speed is 2 meter per second. The formula of velocity, student, displacement upon time, but the cyclist initial position is A and final position is also A because he travels to B and come back to A. So same initial and final position, it means displacement is 0 and time taken is 40. So our velocity is 0 because 0 is divided by any number gives us 0. First question, differentiate between velocity and speed. I will give you a difference table, student. You can now easily learn from this table. Second, if a car travel 100 meter in 25 seconds, then find out its velocity. So we have to calculate the velocity here. 100 meter is divided by 25, displacement upon time. So our velocity is here 4 meter per second. Third, if a cyclist is going with a constant velocity, then identify the type of motion. So student, cyclist is going with a constant velocity. Constant velocity means uniform motion. So what type of motion is there? Uniform motion. Okay. Last question. When you apply brake to a moving bicycle, then what type of motion it has? Brake, it means we decrease the velocity, that is retardation, retarded motion. So student, this is the answer of your fourth question. And now I show you a difference table between velocity and speed. Please write with me. Write the difference, student, between speed and velocity. Speed, it is the distance traveled by per unit time, and velocity, it is the distance traveled in a particular direction. Speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. Speed cannot be 0 and velocity can be 0. I think this difference is clear up to you. So student, write the difference from that table. This is the answer of your first question. Okay, now let's go back to our worksheet. I think you can understand that worksheet very easily. The concept of velocity is now clear up to you, and what is accelerated and what is retarded motion. If you like that worksheet, share among your friend circle and subscribe our channel Learning Light to get the more notification earlier. Okay, thank you.